Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about made in China importation business. And in today's video, I will show you how to add item to cart on made in China shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 168, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Made in China app. The app open up your Made in China app is going to load up like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose a product that you would like to add to cart. Like for instance, I want to use this particular product here as an example. So this product here, I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link. Then after click on the product link, it's going to open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on buy now. Now you are here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on buy now right here. Then you have the product details right here. So you can decide to add black color to be 2, then gray color. So I'm going to go ahead and add just 1. Green color, I'm going to go ahead and add another quantity. So I'm going to add about 2 for this. So making all 5. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on buy now right here. And you will be taken right here. Once you click on buy now, then you have all the products in your cart right here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and scroll down and read detail about this particular product. You have Express USD shipping company right here. So if you would like to use any of the shipping company right here, then you have their 28 days after buy pay successful. So delivery time is 8 to 5 days. However, the shipping fee is 249 point something USD. So this is another option here, which is UPS, if you would like to use it. So they are about 7 to 10 days. But in some cases, it's always advisable that you use your personal shipping company, which you need to make sure that you have added from the top right here. It's not always advisable that you use some of the shipping company here because they are very much expensive. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on pay now.